Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate text or object or image in Google Slide. So here you can see I have two objects. First is text and second is the image. So I will show you first text. So just click the text icon, or you have to select the text object. Now just click on the right and go to the animation. In right side you will see the option called motion, and this is the text you have selected. Now you have to select the animation type, so I just select the fly from top, and you can select the auto preview, with preview, or on click. You can also manage the speed of this animation speed, so I just make it medium. And now if I click on play, and now I need to click on screen, then the animation will be begin. You can see, okay, the same way you have to animate the image also. Just select, just go to the animation, and okay, this object has been selected. Now I have to change it, like fly in front right. On speed I have to change, and just play. On click I have to need to click. Okay, then train will be come. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.